First of all, thanks for being here in my YouTube channel. So in this lesson number system, we are going to learn one of the most important concept, that is divisibility rule. So divisibility rules are not only important for the number system, this divisibility rule is important for the complete quantitative aptitude. There is one rule which is common for all numbers, that is easy calculation. If some students make 1 minute for dividing some number, and if you know the divisibility rules, you are able to crack the same number within 2 or 3 seconds. For example, let you are to divide this number by 9. What you will do? You are dividing this number by 9, but by using divisibility rules, we can check first whether it will be divisible by 9 or no. Divisibility test by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 and 11. Okay, these are so simple. So through these tests, they are easy to use. We can easily check without wasting our time whether the number is divisible by these numbers or not. Okay, let us first we will learn the divisibility test of 5 and 10, because these two tests are very easy. Let us check whether this number is divisible by 5 or not. First, we will learn the divisibility test of 5. A number will be divisible by 5 if it ends with 0 or 5. मीन्स इसका मतलब क्या है, अगर एक नंबर के लास्ट में 0 या 5 आ जाए, फॉर एग्जाम्पल 2, 1, 4, 5, this number will be completely divisible by 5. Or any number like 4, 9, 8, 0, it will also be divisible by 5 properly. You can check. You do not need to do division for checking this number is divisible by 5 or not. You can just straight check whether the unit place is 0 or over by 5. So let us check the number 6181 whether it is divisible by 5. Yeah, no, unit place is 1, so it will not be divisible by 5. Okay, now let us learn let us check all these numbers. Which numbers are divisible by 5? Which numbers? So its unit place is 1. It will not be divisible by 5, because we have learned that for dividing a number by 5, its unit place should be 5. Okay, let us check with second number, that is 5. Unit place is 5. So we can divide this number by 5. So let us check 3. No. This is 0. Yes. There is 0. Yes. 5. Yes. 2. No. 8. No. So we can check thoroughly, easily, and without wasting our time. So now let us discuss the divisibility test by 10. 10. Okay. Let me tell you first the rules for divisibility test of 10. It is so simple. I think you also know that the unit place of a number should be 0 to divide it properly by 10. So let us take an example. For example, 4, 1, 3, 5. Will it be divisible by 10? No, never, because its unit place is 0. It should be 0, but its unit place is 5. We cannot properly divide this number by 10. So let us take one more example. 3, 1, 5, 2, 9, 0. Can we divide this number by 10? Yes, we can do very easily because it is having 0 at its ones place. So the only rule for dividing a number by 10 properly, we should have 0 as its unit place, unit digit. Okay. Now let us check all these numbers are divisible by 10 or not. Okay. Let us check. 6181. Okay. Unit place is 1. So no. A big no. 4, 3, no, 0. Yes, yes, we can divide this number by 10 properly. And we have done this divisibility by 5 and 10. We will take which numbers we are done with. Okay. Now, let us check this number. Yes. This number, no. This number, no. A big no. Okay. I think you have learned. Now, coming on to the divisibility test of 2. Now we will check whether these numbers are divisible by 2 or not. For first of all, we will check what is the divisibility rule of 2. Okay, the divisibility rule of 2. I think you also know, because it is very simple. For dividing a number by 2 properly, its unit place should have 2, 4, 6, 8 or a 0, like a number 4, 3, 1, 2. Will Can we divide this number whole by 2 properly? I'm using the word properly means the when we divide the number, the answer should be a whole number, not in decimals. Okay, every time every number will be divisible by 2. We can find the values in decimals also, but here we are talking about the whole number as quotient. Okay, so it is having 2 as its ones place, so definitely we can divide it by 2. For example, 310, yes, we can divide this number by 2 because it is having 0 as its ones place. If let us take one another number, 9381223, yes, can we divide this number by 2? No, a big no, because it is an odd number, and we cannot divide the odd numbers by 2 properly. Okay, I think it is clear. Now let us check our numbers whether they are divisible by 2 or not. Okay, let us go to a page and let us check whether we can divide these numbers by 2. Yes. Okay, coming on to our first question, that is one. No, no, ये भी नहीं होगा. Yes, 0, yes, yes, no, yes, yes, because it is an even. Okay, I think the trick is very clear to you. Just if you like the video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Now coming on to the next divisibility test, I'm just rounding the numbers which we have done. We have done 2, we have done 5, we have done 10. Now is the term for 3. 3. Okay, let us check whether these numbers are divisible by 3 or not. Okay, first we will learn the divisibility test of 3. Is that we should find the digit sum. Now let me tell you what is digit sum. Digit sum is the sum of the digits in a number. For example, one number, if we take one number is 1, 2, 3. Okay, we are to divide this number by 3. Okay, what we will do? We will just add 1 plus this 2 plus this 3. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. And this 6 is a multiple of 3. So this number can be divided by 3. To check whether the number is divisible by 3 or not, first what we will do? We will find digit sum. What is digit sum? Digit sum is the addition of the digits in a number. Like one number is 4132. Okay, what we will do to find the digit sum? Digit sum is 4 plus 1 plus 3 plus 2. We can do it mentally. Okay, 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 3, 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 is not in the table of 3. So this number is not divisible by 3. Okay, for let us take one more example so that the trick is very clear to you. For example, 4372. We need to check this number is divisible by 3 or not. What we will do? 5 plus 3 plus 7 plus 2. That will give us 17. 17 is not in the table of 3. So this number is also not divisible by 3 properly. Okay, let us take one more example. 30312. Okay, let us add these digits. 3 plus 0 plus 3 plus 1 plus 2, that is 9, and 9 is properly divisible by 3, so we can divide this number by 3 properly. Okay, is it clear? Sum should be divided by 3 properly. This word properly means a lot. Okay, so let us check whether these numbers are divisible by 3 or not. Okay, first we will check 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 8 is 15 plus 1 is 16. 16 is the digit sum. Can we divide it by 3? No, a big no. Okay, 2 plus 5, coming on to this question. 2 plus 5, 7. 7 plus 4, 11. 11 plus 5 is 16. Again, we cannot divide. Okay, 6 plus 1, 7 plus 2 is 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. Yes, we can divide this number by 3 properly. So, a big yes. 6 plus 5, 11. 11 plus 1 is 12. Yes, it will be divisible by 3. I think the trick is very clear to you now. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 8 is 10. No. 1 plus 2, 3. And plus 10, 13. No, a big no. Yeah, now 3012. 3 plus 3, that is 6. Yes, bilkul. 4 plus 1, 5 plus 8 is 13. A big no. that is not divisible by 3. So till now we have done the divisibility test of 2, 3, 5 and 10. I think they are very clear to you. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment box. Okay. I'm not erasing the digit sums which we have now find, because they are useful when we will do when we will learn our new trick, which is to divide a number by 9. Now coming on to the divisibility test of 9, because it is very similar to the test of 3. Okay. Now let us learn first what is the rule. Yes, the rule for dividing a number by 9, same rule will be applied. Digit sum should be divided by 9 properly. So let us take one example. We need to check 319 will be properly divisible by 9. Okay, just add that 3 plus 1 plus 9. That is 10 or 13. No. Yes. Next is 909. 9018. Let us check 9 plus 0 plus 1 plus 8. That is 18. 18 will be divisible by 9. Again, we can find the digit sum. 1 plus 8, 9. 9 which should be divisible by 9. Okay, this number we can divide by 9 easily. Okay, coming on to the, we already have found the digit sum. We will check that only to divide a number by 9, whether it is divisible by 9 or not. Okay, 6 plus 1 plus 6, no, no, 12, no, because we are checking by 9, not by 3 now. No, I think no number is divisible by 9 there. No, no, no. Okay, no number is divisible by 9 here. Okay, let us take one example, which is, let's say, take any number, which is 4158. Let us check. This is 4 plus 1 plus 5 plus 8. That is equal to 18. Okay, 18 we can divide by 9 easily. So this number is divisible by 9. Okay, I think the trick is very clear to you now. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment box, or you can watch the video again. The concept will be clear to you now. Okay, now coming on to the divisibility test of 4. First, we will learn what is the divisibility test of 4. We will learn the divisibility test of 4 and 8 because these are similar. 4 and 8 are similar. Okay, let me tell you what is the divisibility rule for this. For dividing a number by 4 properly, for dividing a number you by 4, you will check only last two digits. Last two digits. If they are they are properly divisible by 4, the whole number will be divisible by 4. For example, 1432. You for checking is this number divisible by 4, you will check only last two digits. Last two digits here is 32. 32 comes in the table of 4. Yes, 4 8 are 32. We can divide this number properly by 4 easily. Okay. Last two digits, that is 32, means any last two digits should be divisible by 4 to divide a number properly by 4. Okay. So last two digits should be properly divisible by 4. Okay, now let us check whether these numbers are properly. Okay, for dividing, first check the number should be even only. Odd numbers cannot be divided by 4. Okay, so we don't need to even check the last two digit because this is odd. First condition we will check, it shouldn't be odd. Odd, odd. So 10, no. 80, yes. 80 can be divided by 4. Yes, this number, no. Big no. Yes. 18 cannot be divided by 4. So, a big no. Okay. So, only two numbers are divisible by 4 here. Okay. Now, coming on to the divisibility test of 8. As I told you earlier, that divisibility of 4 and 8 are similar. So what is the divisibility rule of 8? We need to check last three digits here. Last three digits here. For example, this number, let us take this number only 432. Can we divide this number by 8 properly? So that number will be divisible by 4. 8, sorry, 8, 8 5 are 40, 8 4 are 32. Yes, this is also divisible by 4. Now coming on to our questions, let us check if they are divisible by 8. क्या वो 8 से divisible हैं? Okay, let us check them. 8 1. Oh, odd numbers cannot be divisible by 8 properly. कभी भी नहीं, ओड नंबर्स को तो आप पहले ही क्रॉस कर सकते हैं. ओके, लेट अस चेक 510. बेटा जो स्टूडेंट्स जो जो नंबर पहले ही 4 से डिविजिबल नहीं थे वो तो 8 से बिल्कुल डिविजिबल नहीं होंगी. तो 510 वी कैन चेक. So 8 6 are 40, 8 3 0 30. No, a big no. Okay, 180. 8 2 are 16. No. Okay, 12. No. I think no number is divisible by 8 here. Okay, if a number has two zeros in the last, for example, 4300, it will be divisible by 4. Will be divisible by 4. Always will be divisible by 4. A number having two zeros in the last and a number having three zeros in the last will always be divisible by 8. Will always be divisible by 8. Okay. Now, let us talk about the divisibility test of 6. Okay, first we will learn the rules. What are the rules for dividing a number by 6? देखते हैं. First condition तो हमारी वही रहेगी कि number should not be odd. Okay, number should not be odd. Odd number होगा तो we cannot divide that number by 6. क्योंकि इवन नंबर के टेबल में कभी भी ओड नंबर नहीं आता. फर्स्ट थिंग इज दैट. ओके, नाउ for checking the number is divisible by 6 or not, what we will do, we will just check if a number is divisible by 2 and as well as 3. 2 से भी divisible है और 3 से भी divisible है. 2 से divisibility मतलब it will be a even number, an even number, and 3 से divisible मतलब इसका digit sum जो होगा वो 3 से divide होगा. So let us take any number 5 3 2 1 2. Okay, can we check that this number is divisible by 6? Okay, 2, yes, it will be divisible by 2 because it is an even number. We have checked the unit place. Okay, now for checking the divisibility of 3, what we will do, check digit sum as we have learned earlier. 5 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 plus 2. 13, which is not divisible by 3. So this number we cannot divide by 6 properly. So coming on to our questions, let us check the divisibility by 6. Okay, 6 से divisibility के रूल हम सीख चुके हैं. Let us do practice. So odd number तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं होगा, पहले ही condition close कर सकते हैं आप. Now we need to check about this number. Just find out the digit sum. 6 plus 6 12. Yes, we can do this. We can divide this number by 6 properly. Very good. Okay, now check it yourself, beta. You can pause the video and try it by yourself. Okay, 1 plus 1 2 plus 8 10. 10 is not divisible by 3. Okay, 3 plus 3 6. Yes, it will be divisible by 6. Okay, now I'm finding digit sum. Okay, 9 plus 4 is 13. So no, here two numbers only are divided by 6 properly. Okay, I'm using the word properly again and again because every number we can divide by any number because the answer, what is the maximum probability, maximum chances that the answer will be in decimals, है ना. तो होल नंबर अगर हमें प्राप्त करना है, होल नंबर अगर हमें लेके आना है, इट शुड बी properly divisible. Properly word use होगा. Okay, so let us check now the divisibility test of 11. Okay, 11 का divisibility. Let us learn the rule first. Only 7 is remaining now. Okay, let us clear some space. Till now we have learned 5, 10, 2, 4, 8, 3 and 9, 6 also. Now for learning this 11 के लिए बेटा You will check the number. Please be concentrated because it will require a little bit concentration. Okay, you need to add. Let us check first. This number is divisible by 11 or not. Okay, what you will do, you will mark like this is the easiest way. Okay, even places or places we will find the difference. Okay, even places sum and sum of numbers which is are and odd places. Okay, then we will find the difference. It should be 0, 11, 22, 33, whatever. Then the number will be properly divisible by 11. If they are not in between these, you cannot divide the number by 11. Okay, 4 plus 5 plus 3, 4, 5, 3. You will add 4 plus 5, 9, 9 plus 3 is 12. Now 3 plus 0, that is 3. So 12 minus 3, that is equal to 9, which is not divisible by 11. Let us take one more example. Let us take one more example, which is 1, 4, 1, 4, 0, 3. Let us check this number. वन ऊपर एक नीचे एक ऊपर. दिस इज सिंपलेस्ट वे, इजीएस्ट देसी तरीका. 1 plus 1 plus 0 plus 1, that is 3. Now 4, 4, 3, 2, that is 8 plus 6, 14. Now 14 minus 3, that is equal to 11. Yes, this number is easily divided by 11. Okay. Now let us check them. Are they divisible by 11? Okay. What we will do? 1 plus 1, 2, 6 plus 8, 14. 14 minus 2, that is equal to 12, which is not divisible by 11. For checking next number, 2, 5, 4, 5. 2 plus 4, 6. 5, 5, 10. No, 4 cannot be divided by 11. 6 and 2, 8. 3 or 1, 4. Yes, difference will be 4. No, no, cannot be divisible by 11. 7 and 5 and 0, 5. 7 minus 5, always 2. So these numbers are not divisible by 11. Let us check this. 1, 1, 1, 0. 1 plus 8, 9. 9 minus 1. No. 1, 2, 5, 5. 2 plus 5, 7 minus 6. No. 3, 0, 1, 2. 3 plus 1, 4 minus 2. No. I think no number is divisible by. No. Difference is 3 here also. So, no number is divisible by 11. None of the number. Okay. If you like the video, you can do subscribe and share my channel. एंड 7 का डिविजिबिलिटी टेस्ट सीखने के लिए हम क्या करेंगे? फॉर एग्जाम्पल 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 4. Let us take this numbers 3. We need to check this number by 7 or not. Okay, what we will do? 3 is a square. Sorry, 3 times 2 is 6. Minus 6 करिए. 1, 1, 8 you will get. Now just time it by 2, that is equal to 16. No, 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 no. You will divide this number by 7. 7 1 ja 7, 7 6 ja. No. We will divide 118 by 7, which is not divisible by 7. So this number cannot be divided by 7. Okay, you can check yourself whether these numbers are divisible by 7. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. It will help me, it will motivate me. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Meet you in the next video.